First take this part and then make it upside down and then put this piece and then press it and then take another one and press it and put the wheels on. Now put the front wheels on. Now make it downside down and upside up. Put the remaining pieces. Put the front piece. Put the back piece. And what? It's for making the height. And what's this for? This is for the design holder. Oh, for front design holder, not back design holder. Oh, it fell down. Do you know I'm building another skate? Yes, and we have this piece name. That is for the height. This is for the design hold. And do you know what these are for? Yes, leg passers. Leg passers pass the legs. And we are done. Oh, it fell down. Now they roll on road like this. We make back and forth to skate. If you think there's a thing head, take this way or this way, or a circle, and when it goes around, and when it goes, something bulldozer comes and it pushes it away. Go through like this.